Good morning and welcome to another video. Today we are doing an install with salt and pepper hair. Let me show you. So I have a client who is getting microlocks, you know what I mean, microlocs extensions, the twist. She's getting salt and pepper hair. This hair is from QVR. I love this hair, okay? So of course I'm going to show you the little thingy thing. Boom. I love this hair because the salt isn't overpowering the pepper. Okay, so look, it's like a natural brownish black with some salt mixed in. I love it. So I'll be using this today to do her install. Yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down below. This is 16 inches of salt and pepper hair from QVR Hair. I'll put the link. You know, you have the information in the description bar as well as on the screen. I'll put a little link right here. And yeah, we're gonna get started, okay? It's gonna be quick, okay? It's not gonna be a long one. So, if you wanna keep watching, please do. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to close the bag. Let's get started.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. So, for this install, this client is getting salt and pepper microloc twist extensions. You can see she has an undercut and then she had shorter hair above the undercut. We are going to add extensions to that later this month. We want to let it grow out. We want to let it grow out a little bit further. But I'm just going to give you a quick talk through of the process and what I'm doing here. So she doesn't have really high density. However, her hair is not super fine. So with each twist, I probably added one piece of hair. And then, you know, I braided it and twisted it down and interlocked it like I normally do. I used QVR hair, which I really love that the hair is already stretched out. I do prep this hair, but sometimes I'll just pull from it dry depending on where I am at the head and how the gripping is going for me and my fingers. What else? This was a pretty simple, straightforward install. If you have any questions, leave them below. I believe, you know, every video I kind of give you a talk through of what I'm doing. I'm stuck to a 3-point rotation mostly in her head because her hair is so not super dense but not super fine. It's somewhere in the middle, so I didn't want to have something that was we want her twist to expand, her interlock to expand, so that her hair thickens up in a healthy way. So yeah, I think that's about it. If you have any questions, I'm going to be answering comments throughout the day today because I am behind. And yeah, we're going to have the content coming. Also, the color keeps changing on this video. I got a new camera and I'm trying to figure out my life. Don't judge your girl, okay? Don't judge me. But yeah, if you have any questions, I'll have all the information of the hair in the description below. And if you want to know anything specific, leave it below. And I promise I will get to it as soon as I can. Okay, guys.